Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I greatly appreciate it. Well, I guess this is part 3 of the tea staining paper. It wasn't meant to be part 3, but I had left something out, so I had to do a part 2. And now, anyway, this is the finished product. So these are the tea stained small coffee filters. They're pretty good. I like them. Some are a little darker than others, but I like the mild coloring. I don't really like it when it's like really dark. And then these are the 2 different size doilies that I did. And on this one you can see that there was a piece of paper that either this was on or that was on top of this. Now I will say my plan for these to lay on paper and to have this print on them did not work. So I've always promised the good, the bad, and the ugly, and to always be truthful. So, and I have a little tear there, I see, but that's okay. So I'm thinking that maybe when I have seen that on other people's pages, they may have actually used cloth doilies and had a certain one that they, would always dip in the tea or the coffee. And so now these are, I'll just do kind of a quick flip through here. These are the ones that I tea stained, that I had printed already. Now, I like that because when I print, I'm printing with a laser printer, and it kind of lays a sheen where it has printed. And this is the one that I showed you with the circles that I had copied from a long time ago. I don't know if this was like Sizzix or someone is what I'm thinking, and what you could do with circles. But anyway, I didn't want to waste it. And sometimes I will take this paper and just use it to glue on, or do my embossing powder on. But I decided I was going to use them. But anyway, so the sheen on this now is pretty much gone. The coffee and the tea staining, in this case tea staining, takes that shine away. So these actually do look older, which is, like I said, I like. I've got some debris on these too. I guess a little dirt and dust from being outside. Some of them actually blew to the ground. But anyhow, so this is, what my results were. I'm pleasantly pleased with them. So, give it a try. Even if you have to lay like a blanket, an old blanket or something out in your yard, if you don't have a back patio, if you don't mind a little dust and grime, just lay them right in the grass. And then I think this is, no, these are the coloring book pages. That's just a plain one. Here we go. And here's some more. This must have been a underwater coloring book that I took apart. I have purchased a bunch of different ones at the dollar store, and I just take them apart as I get to them. No rhyme or reason really. Because what I like to do, and I'm sure you're wondering, is I like to get all my supplies together so that when I do sit down to do a journal, I pretty much got everything I need. Here's some more of those pages. And again, they're not really dark. They're crinkly. They've got to feel like a little bit of a different texture to them because of the tea staining. So, anyhow, I'm happy with them. So, I appreciate you coming by. And this is going to be just a little short video. And please, subscribe to my channel. Let me know you like what I'm up to. And give me a thumbs up on this one if you would. I'd greatly appreciate it. And I will check you on the flip side. Bye.